another perfume shop. Let's go.
Dalawa kayong bars na ito?
Yeah.
Lean, blush ka?
Blush.
Dalawa yung tumor. What do you want, baby? Ay, ano ka?
Hi, ayan si Ate Mariam. Mamili na siya ng kulon.
Sana.
Okay.
Parehas kami. Other way.
Other way.
Thank you po, Madam Noha. Thank you, Madam Ashwag, for the perfume. This one, kulturano ko lang.
I'm very busy. Smell coconut.
Lynn, what you choose?
This is what I choose. It's a good smell. Thank you, Madam Aswad.
What you choose, Jano?
Thank you so much. Happy Barak.
What you choose, Rosala?
The other way.
The other way. Oh, same Ate Mariam, ha? So what you will see to...
Thank you, Madam.
Hi, I choose the Paris Night. It's very good smell. Try it.